Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a normal embroidery design into a quilt block in Wilcom Hatch software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a design, and I'm going to open up this PES file right here. And it's going to bring the design in. So say I want to select the 5x7 hoop. What I would need to do then, after that, is go under to the Edit Objects, hit the Ambiance Quilting. It's going to ask if I want a stipple. We're going to change the width, and it's going to ask, line spacing and things like that. So just go ahead and say yes. And there it's going to think about the size. So we can actually change this, or actually go ahead and delete this one. Say you want to do echo, just regular echo. There is an echo that you can do, or remove this. Let's look at the scroll. There's that one. So you can do all different kinds of quilting in here. Personally, I like the stipples. We're going to make it a 130 by 130. Not too sure if I like that the way that is, so let's delete all of this. Let's change the line spacing to say 6. And that looks more like a stipple that I can live with. So then I would just simply do a file, export design, give it a different name, and say save. And that way you have your stipple block. So if you do a quilt as you go type method, you can take this right here and actually do the quilt as you go. Your stippling's all done, the embroidery's all done. So have fun, enjoy, play around, and we will talk to you later. Bye.